I bought a £15 faux Christmas tree. Do you think it's going to be any good? Let's find out. I'm Hester and welcome back to a handmade home. So the tree is from Habitat. It's the 6-foot imperial tree in green. The height will be easy to check because I'm just under 6 foot tall and it retails for £22. But as there was a discount running for 30% off all Christmas decorations, I got it for £15.40. Let's open the box. Surprise, surprise, it's a Christmas tree. We've got 1, 2, 3 pieces. Stands and some instructions. So let's put the bottom together first. I'm going to unfold it and then we're going to put the rest together. These just slot in like any normal artificial Christmas tree. Well, that could have been a bit easier, but it is in. So let's start unfolding these. And then comes the task of unfolding all these little branches. I'm going to show a little trick of what I normally do. You want your tree to look as natural as possible. And for a real Christmas tree, the branches don't go down. Branches only grow up. So when you open up all your branches, make sure you open them up with a little curve and the tip pointing upwards. So take your time doing this because it's really going to make a big difference how your tree is going to look. So that's the base done. I had one little casualty here. Let's put this in place and then do tier 2 and 3 and you can see what a Christmas tree looks like. It doesn't lock in place, so it's a little bit spinny, but the branches are very easy to move. So let's get those evened out a bit and then we're going to open them up. I just spent, I reckon, 20 minutes folding all these out, looking if there's any gaps, trying to fill them up. So now it's time for the third and last part. So this last tier doesn't have the branches on the metal like the other tiers have. These are just separate branches, so they're really easy to bend into shape. I think the tip is just a tinsy bit taller than me. So yeah, we definitely reached the 6 foot. So the tree is up. Does it look like a real tree? Maybe from the other side of the room. From up close now you can see it's fake because of the shine on the little needles. But it's very easy to put up, easy to bend to shape. You need your time though. So I spent just under an hour bending it into shape. But if you've got the time and you're willing to do that, you can buy a perfectly good faux tree for £15. If you enjoyed this video, please have a look at all the other videos here on the Handmade Home channel. I do small and easy crafts and bigger builds for your home, so there must be something in there that you like. There's lots of Christmas content coming up, including the decoration of this Christmas tree. So please subscribe not to miss out on any of my future uploads.